In this video, we will briefly go over navigating documents in QuikData's eDiscovery software. On the left-hand side of the screen, when you enter your case, you'll see work folders as well as eDiscovery sources. The eDiscovery sources are the data as it was either imported or ingested into the system. You'll see it broken down by custodian, and on the right hand side you'll see the total number of documents in that folder as well as the subfolders within that folder. One thing to take note of is that if you click on the top level folder and select the top level folder, you will not see the documents in the folders below it until you actually get to the folder that contains those documents. So the folder viewing of documents is not recursive. So it is necessary to browse to the folder that actually contains the documents to begin viewing the actual documents. There is an option for work folders, which are folders which can be created by user and allow for organizing documents in any number of ways, whether by custodian, media, production volume, or any other subset that you may want to create, such as folders per individual for deposition preparation, or for creating privilege logs or anything like that. So again, the work folders work similar to the eDiscovery source folders in that they viewing documents is not recursive, so it is actually necessary to browse to the actual folder that the documents are in order to view the documents. In this case, you can see that the top level folder of documents organized by custodian name, there's 1,850 documents, and then you can see the breakdown in those subfolders. So to view these first 1,171 documents, you would click on this folder here, and then in this document list, it lists the folders or the documents in that folder. If you scroll over, you can see metadata fields that are available, whether it be file name, dates, tags, things of that nature. We can add to this or edit the fields that are visible here by selecting the three-dot menu button here. Select Add Columns to Document List, and then we can choose to drag and drop these fields here to our list. As you'll see, when you select documents from the document list, the viewer on the right side panel allows you to view the document. There's thumbnails of the pages here to the left of the viewer, and on the far right hand side we have our coding panel as well as custom fields which may or may not be able to be edited dependent on your permissions and the permissions of the specific field. And from here we can apply coding values and tags. For instance, we can determine that this document is responsive, it is a hot document, and the tags automatically become saved. We can also change the layout that we see here. We can minimize tags, drag and drop to resize the panes. hide the bookmarks, etc. If you're working with two screens, you can pop out the viewer window with the expansion arrows icon here up in the right hand corner. You may get a message to allow pop-ups, and then you can drag and drop this browser window here to your other monitor to make it easier to view the documents as you're doing your review. By closing the other browser window, the viewer will be redocked in its original place. And that is the basics of viewing and tagging documents in QuikData software. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to your LSP Data representative. We'll be happy to help with any questions you may have. There is also a knowledge base within the system. If you hover over the help button at the top of the screen, select Get Help and open knowledge base, you'll be able to search from any number of features or functions of the software and browse directly to any information you're looking for. But if we can be of any service, please reach out directly to your LSP Data project manager. Thank you.